We are having a wicked storm right now, so I thought I would just put my...
Struck age.
So I just put my Ovilus spirit box on.
Good.
Are you glad? So it said struck, age, and good. It is this...
Solid.
It's so funny because AccuWeather said light rain. I'm like, this does not look like light rain at all. Yep. So it just said struck. So is it going to strike something close to me? This is crazy.
None.
It's not going to hit anything?
Baby.
Baby?
List. Cold.
How can you be cold? It's like 100 degrees outside. Holy shit. Well, that was intense. I think I got that one on camera. Glad I unplugged my computer, even though I have full surge protection. Oh, this poor bird is out there. Flying around. So spirits, do you have any messages for me? Holy crap. Is my spirit friend with me? If you are here, can you please say your name or our code word? This is crazy intense lightning we're having right now. Can you see me? Yep, this storm is right over me right now. I can see you thinking.
People. Choke. Tip.
You got a joke? Can you please turn this flashlight on for me? Mike, if you're here, can you please turn the flashlight on? You want me to tell you a joke? Well, the last good one I heard was from a toll booth worker. He said,
Nod. Cure.
holy crap. Whew. This is an intense storm. It's crazy. All right, my spirit friends, can you please turn on this flashlight for me?
Recuse.
Please. Can you turn this on right here? Maybe I'll turn it on so you can find it. So I'm going to put it in the on position, and then you could turn it off. Okay. Can you find it now? Now can you please turn the flashlight off if Mike is here? Hi, Mike. I see you trying. Thank you very much. All the way off, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mike. I'm pretty sure this is Mike. Mike is my spirit friend that's been following me around for 3 years. He's a super cool guy. He actually travels with me when I'm off site, which is very interesting. So I think he kind of protects me and keeps me away from the other spirits that aren't so nice.
Child. If.
So you said baby earlier. Did you want to have a child? Or did you have a child? If you had a baby or a child, can you please turn the flashlight on for me? Thank you. Okay. What was the child's name?
Branches. Wife.
So you had a child with your wife? So you're talking about your family? Was that important to you? Oh.
R.
What was the baby's name? Was it a boy? If it was a boy, can you turn the flashlight on for me, please? If it was a girl, just leave it off. Okay, so it was a baby girl. What was the baby girl's name? Our. Are we our? You definitely want to talk about family today. Do you know my name? If you know my name, can you turn the flashlight on for me, please?
Stare.
Yeah, I do have stairs. Thank you, my spirit friend. My name is Cynthia. Can you please tell me your name, your wife's name, or your baby's name? Did you have a baby girl?
Beast. Am not.
You're not a beast? Are there two spirits here? If there's two spirits here, can you please light that flashlight up for me, please? Sounds like you're having a conversation amongst yourselves. Thank you very much. You're doing great. I don't think you're a beast. I think you're a nice spirit. Thank you. So there are more than one. There's more than one spirit here, that's for sure. I can see you guys talking to each other. Is this storm scary for you? I got a ghost tour tonight, so I'm hoping that this weather clears up for us. You gonna come on the tour with me later? If you're coming on my tour tonight in Safety Harbor, can you please turn the flashlight off? Thank you, spirit friend. I have a feeling this is Mike, but Mike, did you bring a friend with? Waiting for my laundry to finish up, and then I'm gonna have to stop this because I have an interview or a meeting, Google meeting at 3 o'clock. So I gotta put my face on. Thank you for communicating with me, spirits. Thank you, thank you. Okay, do you have any final words for me? Thank you. I'll ring the bell for you. Thank you. Thank you, my spirit friends. All right, I'm going to close this out. Thank you very much. I appreciate you very much. And I will see you later. See, you might have a couple more words for me, so I'll let you say something before I close this down. Hi, Mike. Hi, Mike.